Hi everyone, let's start solving today's lead code question, which is 23. Merge k sorted lists. Okay, so this is a hard question on lead code. Okay, let's try to understand the question. You are given an array of k linked list. Each linked list is sorted in ascending order. So each individual linked list is sorted in ascending order. We need to merge all the linked list into the sorted linked list and return it. So what we need to return? So individual linked lists are sorted. Okay, what I need to return? I need to return a list, a single linked list of a merged, I can say a merged linked list where all the linked lists are merged together in sorted manner. Okay, so these are the question requirements and this is what we need to return. Okay, let's try to see the example here. So 145 is my linked list 1, this is my linked list 2, this is my linked list 3. Okay, if I merge all together, so the linked list will become 145, 134 and 26, and if I sort them out 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, this will become my an individual linked list. Let's name it as LL4. I need to return this linked list. Okay, I need to return this linked list. Okay, so this question is marked as hard problem, but if I tell you a step-by-step process to approach this question, you will never find this question hard again. Okay, you will never find this question hard again if you go step by step to approach this question. Before jumping to merging all the linked list and sorting them, let's try to understand the concept of how to merge two sorted linked lists. We have given two sorted linked lists. First, we try to understand how to merge them. Two sorted linked lists. Okay. So दो sorted linked list दी हुई है. यहाँ पे पहले ये क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. सिंपल सा ये क्वेश्चन रखते हैं अभी पूरे मेन कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन को सोल्व करने से पहले बेसिक अप्रोच से जाएंगे और तब जाके पूरा क्वेश्चन सोल्व करेंगे. Okay. So the first step to solve this above question is to we know the concept of merge two sorted linked list. Okay, how we can merge two sorted linked lists? So let's suppose this is given my LL1 and LL2. What I need to return an LL3, a linked list 3, where these two sorted lists are merged together and in a sorted manner. Okay, so if I create an LL3, a new linked list, okay, and so the first thing, okay, if there are two linked lists given to me, what are the parameters given to me in a question? Must be the head of the linked list, head of LL1 or head of LL2. Now I have given the head of LL1 and head of LL2. From the head only, can I knew that which head is smaller than other head? If I am standing here head 1 and head 2, can I know that which head is smaller than head 2? Yes, from their value, current value. Okay. Now 1 and 1 are equal. So I can consider that if they are equal, I am considering LL1 object. I can either select LL1, either I can select LL2. Anything you can select, but you need to permanent that condition in the whole question while we are solving this question. Okay. So for my comfortability, I am choosing like I will choose the LL1. You can take LL2 as well. Okay. So what I am saying, like if both the elements are equal in a case, I am considering the LL1 object or LL1 element. Okay. So I will create a reference of LL3. Okay. Now LL3 is nothing just a temporary node which will store the merged linked list in a sorted manner. Okay. Now what LL3 will store? LL3 will come here like it will check head 1 is less than equal to H2. Yes. So what I will do? LL3 will point here now. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now one more tip I want to give you. If you start iterating a linked list, don't just iterate the head of the linked list. Create a temp reference, okay, and change the temp reference, not the head value. So because in the case and some question at the end you need to return the head value of the linked list, okay. So do not modify the head, create a temp reference and modify that only. Okay, so let me what I will do, head 1, head 2. Okay, so I will create a temp of h1, temp of head 2, and I will also create a temp of l3, ll3. Okay, let me take ll3. Okay, fine. So t of h, temp of h1 is smaller than equal to temp of h2. So tll3 will come here. Okay, now so what this temp of head will go now. Now T of H1 will go here. Okay, T of LL3 is here. Now I need to compare between these two element nodes. Okay, let me stop that into shape. Okay, so TH1 and TH2. Okay, that is fine. Let me write it neatly. Now which is smaller? So TH2 is smaller than TH1. So the next element in the linked list 3 should be 1 only. So now what I will do, TLL3 dot next should be this pointer. Okay. And T of H2 will come here now. And where will T temporary of LL3 will come? T of LL3 will come here now. Okay. LL3 head is here only. Okay, but temporary reference I am moving, not the head value, because at the end I need to return the head of the linked list 3 where all the linked list where both the linked list are merged in a sorted manner. Okay, तो अब देखते हैं TH1 और TH2 में से कौन सा छोटा है, लेस देन इक्वल टू तो नहीं है, इक्वल टू तो नहीं है, लेस देन है, 3 is less than. So after this should be my next value and T of LL3 should come here and T temporary reference of H1 should come here. Now I need to check between this and this, which is less, 4 is less than 6. Okay, okay, let me mark it. Okay, so what I need to do, I checked. Okay, now this dot next, temporary reference of LL3 dot next is equal to TH1. Okay, I will move the reference as well this thing. Okay, now I check between 7 and 6, which is smaller. I can see here 6 is smaller. Okay, so T of LL3 will come here and temporary reference of head 2 will come here. Now I need to check between temporary reference of H2 and temporary reference of H1 between 7 and 8. 7 is smaller. Next will come here. Okay, T of H1 will come here. Temporary reference of LL3 will come here. Now I need to compare between 8 and 9. Okay. Okay. T of H2 is here. Now I can see 8 is smaller than 9. So simply this will become my temporary reference of 3 from here. And now here is a null pointer. Every linked list contain an end pointer as null. Okay. Now temporary reference of LL3 is here only, but temporary reference of hash2 will come to null pointer. Now if I iterate the whole linked list, okay, and my temporary reference of any one of the linked list, अगर कोई भी एक भी linked list का reference temporary h2 either temporary h1 is pointing towards null, so can it means, can I say like I iterated the whole linked list. ओके आई आइटरेटेड द होल लिंक लिस्ट, मैंने इस लिंक लिस्ट को पूरा आइटरेट कर लिया और मेरा रेफरेंस अब नल को पॉइंट कर रहा है. सो इन दिस केस डू आई नीड टू चेक अगेन एंड अगेन th1 and th2? No, because there can be multiple values. Okay, let's suppose like okay 10 11 are also present there, but do I need to check th1 here with this null pointer? No, because after I reach null in any of the linked list, I can simply say now T of LL3 dot next is equal to T of H1 because one of the pointer got null. Okay. So in this case at the end I will return my head of the linked list 3 which is LL3. Okay, I return my LL3. Let's try to understand the time complexity of this particular question, merge two sorted linked list. So what I am doing is here is I am iterating over an LL1. Let's say this the size of this is n, and I'm iterating over LL2. Let's say the size is n. Okay. Okay, so what I can see now, the time complexity is nothing but I am iterating it once this and once this, so order of n plus n. So let's see the code of this as well. So if I show you the code, what I did here is I created a function named merge to sorted linked list, okay, where I am accepting L1 and L2 two linked list. If L1 is none, if L1 is a empty linked list, okay, and L2 contains some nodes, this is null, okay. So do I need to iterate L1 and L2? No, I can simply return L2. So this is that base case. Vice versa we can also do. Okay, I created temp reference of both. I created a list nodes L3. If this is my first case, okay, to choose the head, L3 head, L3 is the head of the linked list. Okay, the head should point towards which linked list first node, which is the smallest one. So if L1 temp.val is less than L2 temp.val, so here I am pointing L3 is equal to L1 dot temp, else L3 is equal to L2 dot temp, and I am shifting the temp reference to its next here as well. Now my head is configured. Okay, now I need to iterate over the whole both linked list. So for that I created a while loop. Okay, and I started iterating till when I did not encounter a null pointer. अगर एक भी लिंक लिस्ट का रेफरेंस null को पॉइंट करता है, what it means कि मैंने वो लिंक लिस्ट पूरा iterate कर लिया है. उसके बाद अगर L1 temp null हो गया है तो सिंपली मैं L2 के रेफरेंस जहाँ पे पॉइंट कर रहा है सीधा अपने L3 merge sorted linked list में उसको ऐड कर दूंगा. और इफ एल्स केस में क्या होगा कि मेरा L2 नल हो गया है, तो उस केस में जो भी मेरी L3 जितनी भी बन गई थी लिंक लिस्ट उसके एंड में L1 को ऐड कर दूंगा if I encountered a null. Okay, so I think this function is clear, merge to sorted list. Okay, now we can, if this concept is clear, now we can approach to the main question, which is merge k sorted linked list. Okay, so we know how to merge two sorted list. Okay, now if I do, if I sort this n m, so this is nothing but order of n plus m. Now this will return me a sorted linked list. If I sort that this with now, so order of, let me take this as x, so order of x plus m, order of, let's say this is also m, so x plus m. Now this is nothing but give me another linked list. Okay, if I sort this and the result of this I will sort this, isn't it very much large value? Or I am iterating it all over again and again with the sorted list. Are you try to imagine, like I sorted this two list, I iterated all the elements of this LL1, I iterated over the all the elements of LL2, this give me LL3. Now LL3 I need to merge with this, let name this LL4. Now I need to iterate all the elements of LL3. These whole elements of LL3 I need to iterate again with LL4. Isn't it redundant thing I am doing? Can I say if I try to compute it one by one, the time complexities came nearby to n square? I think it will come greater than n square as well. because the size of the linked list is getting incremented again and again. And at the end, n square into n, I can say, the time complexity, because the iterative thing is increasing in every step. So L3, if I merge this L3 with L4, it will give me a LL5, where all the elements of three linked lists are merged and sorted. Now to merge with this LL6, I need to iterate all the elements of this linked list, this linked list, this linked list, and with this. Okay, so isn't it will overflow my time complexity? So what if I give you a simple intuition behind this? Okay, we need to think of a more optimal way. What is the optimal way? I know you cannot directly jump to this intuition approach. The intuition behind is kind of complex, but try to think something. Okay, okay. So I am saying like there are one, two, three, four, five linked lists. I need to merge all this linked list in a sorted manner, but I do not want to do it one by one. Like merge this, merge this, merge this, and merge this. I do not want to do this. If I tell you a simple way, like, okay, let me give you a one thing. If my hand, I will put my hand here, and I will put my hand here, and these are my hand is coming. One hand is this coming. Okay, and if I, this is my upper hand, this is my lower hand. If I start compressing my upper hand and start pushing upward my lower hand, somehow I am doing sandwiching all this. Can I sandwich all this linked lists? If I sandwich all this linked list, can can this is visible? Can you visualize this? कि मैंने एक हाथ ऊपर रखा है, एक हाथ नीचे रखा है सभी लिंक लिस्ट को, और मैं धीरे 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 सैंडविच करता जा रहा हूँ. What does I mean with sandwiching all this linked list is nothing कि parallelly जब ये दो लिंक लिस्ट मर्ज हो रही है, at that time these two linked lists are also getting merged. So if this is LL1 and this is LL2, this is giving me one LL3 and this is giving me some LL5, let's say. Now I need to merge this LL3 with this LL4, let's say, and this is giving me LL6. Now I need to merge this LL6 with LL5. I do not iterate to over again and again. From above as well, I am compressing or I am merging my linked list with below one. From lower, I am also start merging with my above linked list. Okay, which is nothing. I just keep dividing my linked list, all the linked list. Let's say an array of linked list is given to me. Okay, let's suppose an array of linked list is given to me. I am started compressing my array, okay, of linked list. So when I am compressing, I do not have to merge all the linked list again and again or iterate over again and again. Okay, I am merging this. Now the result with I am merged with this result, and now merge of this result I will merge with this of this result. So somehow my iteration is getting decremented. Okay, the redundant codes in this case getting reduced. Okay, so if I show you the code of this approach, so what I did is, this is the actual question, merge k list, where a array of list is given to me. What I did is I created a merge function where I send 0 as my starting position. Let's suppose these are my linked list till n minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are my linked list, and I sent n minus 1 because I need to compress from n minus 1 and from 0. Okay, Okay, so S and E, I find out the mid here. Okay, from mid. Now from mid I am compressing here, and from mid I am compressing here. This is my mid. Now from the mid which I get the result, I will merge it with the result of the above one. Okay, so I did a recursive call here from merge S, and E is my mid now, and here S is my mid plus 1, and E is that only. This is my E. Okay, okay. Now what is the base case? If S is equal to E, I will return my list of S. This is my base case. What does S is equal to mean? What it means that my starting and ending position, if there are linked list given to me in an array, this is one linked list, this is two second linked list, this is third linked list, this is fourth linked list. Okay, when S is equal to E, what it means, I am standing at only one index of the array where is only one linked list is present. Okay, so this will I at that time I will return my list of S, and after I got the L1, after I got the L2, I am merging those two sorted linked list and giving a result as a merged linked list in a sorted manner. So L1 and L2 is nothing but individual two linked list which is sorted, and from the above this function we understand it above, and from here I am passing this as a result. Okay, and with the result I will merge that result with another result which I get from compression of different linked list. So at the end I will return merge two sorted linked list. So this function we understood above, and this is the actual quotient, and this is the merge function. So to merge every linked list, if I say this thing will happen in order of n plus m, okay, order of n plus n, and the compression whole thing will take me log of size of list. Let me write this down only. What is the time complexity? So for every function, for every individual list, how many time I am taking to merge two linked list is order of n plus m. Okay, and how many operations I am doing? I am doing log of lists of length. Okay, because every time why I'm taking log, every time I am finding out the mid is nothing but the half value of it. So every time I am dividing my operation space or the whole array into two, not into two, divided by two, like I am computing the half of my array once and half of my array once, and the result from that half I am merging it all again. Okay, so if I say, if I consider the whole this as order of n plus m, I am considering it order of n. So can I say order of n, and list dot length if I consider k, the time complexity will be come out to be n log k. Okay, so I hope you understood this question from this video, and if you understood this and if this video helped you, so please like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, bye bye.